Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into GateCity bank account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.gatecity.bank and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of GateCity Bank, which looks like this. At the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see an online banking pop-up menu. Go ahead and enter your user ID that is associated with your account into the text box. Once you're done, head over to the password text box and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up link and follow the instructions to register first. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password link right beneath the login button, follow the instructions. In case you don't remember your user ID, click on forgot user ID right next to forgot password link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. Soon after you hit the login button, after everything's typed in, you'll be logged into your GateCity bank account online in no time. That is all for today's video. I hope you learned how to log into GateCity bank account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.